Inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted, and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins, this series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hey everyone, welcome to Skein Spider. Today's Scrap Stash video is going to be these teacup dinos, or as I've nicknamed them, Tea-rex and Mochasaurus. So if you'd like to make one, grab your hooks and let's get started. To make this pattern, you're going to need a 3mm hook, scissors, stitch markers, a needle, pins, stuffing, a pair of safety eyes, 8-ply yarn in up to 5 colours of your choice, and optionally you can use an empty plastic bottle to give the body of the teacup some extra stability. Just before we start the pattern, I'm going to show you the kind of plastic bottle I used inside the teacup. This is a 1 litre Waterford's mineral water bottle. What you're going to do is, if you're using the bottle, cut off the top. Once you've finished crocheting the body of the teacup, you're going to insert the bottle into the teacup like so. What you're going to do is take a marker and then just mark out the height of the teacup, or rather just below that, so you've still got room to create the top here. And then you're just going to cut around the bottle at that height and use that to insert into your teacup. To make the cup, you're going to begin in whatever colour you'd like the base to be in, and put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 4 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 6 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times, finishing off with 2 single crochet. Round 7 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase done 6 times. Round 8 is 3 single crochet and an increase, and then a repeat of 6 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times, finish off with 3 single crochet. Round 9 is worked entirely into the back loops, so put 48 single crochet in the back loops only. Round 10 is 14 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 11 is 13 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 12 is 12 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 13 is 11 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. At the end of round 13, you're going to change colours to the main body colour of the cup. I'm going to be using white, so for round 14, change colour to white and then work entirely into the front loops. We're going to put 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times in the front loops only. Round 15 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase, and then 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 5 times. Finish off with 3 single crochet. Round 16 is 7 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 17 is 54 single crochet. Round 18 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 8 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 4 single crochet. Rounds 19 through to 29 are 60 single crochet. Round 30 is worked entirely into the front loop, so put 19 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times in the front loops only. Round 31 is 10 single crochet and an increase, and then a repeat of 20 single crochet, 1 increase done twice. Finish off with 10 single crochet. At the end of round 21, you're going to change colour to whatever you're using to create the trim of your cup. So in my case, that's going to be a pale yellow. So for round 32, you're going to change colour and do 66 single crochet, finish off, and then weave in your end. After you've finished round 32 and you've weaved in your end, you're going to take your hook and insert it into one of the exposed front loops from round 9, so in the base of the cup. You're going to take your trim colour, so again in my case this is yellow, and attach it to one of those front loops with a slip stitch. After this, just single crochet into each of those front loops right around the entire base of your cup. Finish off again with a slip stitch, weave in your end, and then you finish the base of your teacup. Once you've finished the trim on both the top and the bottom of your cup, we're going to switch colours to our brown yarn or whatever colour you're using for the beverage inside the teacup. And this time you're going to insert your crochet hook into the exposed back loops from round 30 of the teacup. And we're going to use the same joining method we did for the trim on the base. Do a slip stitch to join, and then you're going to do your first single crochet into that same stitch. We're going to begin round 31 in the beverage colour, in my case brown, by doing 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 10 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times, finishing off with 5 single crochet. Remember that this round is worked entirely into the exposed back loops from round 30 of the teacup body. Once you've done round 31, we're going to continue with round 32, which is 19 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 33 is 4 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then a repeat of 8 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish off with 4 single crochet. Round 34 is 7 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. At the end of round 34, stop and secure your end. The first thing we're going to do is stuff the base of the teacup. Lay your teacup on a flat surface before you begin pressing in the stuffing, just to keep that flat shape on the bottom. Once you've finished stuffing the base, you're then going to insert the plastic bottle if you're using one. After doing this, I like to add a little bit more stuffing just to give the teacup a little bit more weight, but you don't have to add any additional stuffing if you don't want to. If you're not inserting the bottle, you are going to have to stuff the body of the teacup, so go ahead and do whichever one of those methods that you prefer. Once you're done, we're going to continue with round 35, which is 3 single crochet and a decrease, followed by a repeat of 6 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish off with 3 single crochet. Round 36 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 37 is 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 38 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease done 6 times. At this point you can stop and add more stuffing if you're using it. Round 39 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 40 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. And then round 41 is our final round, and it's just 6 decreases. Finish off and then weave in your tail end. For the handle, you're going to use your trim color, so I'll be crocheting mine in yellow. We're going to begin by putting 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 3 is 9 single crochet. Round 4 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 5 is 2 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 6 is 1 decrease followed by 7 single crochet. And then round 7 through to 36 are just going to be 8 single crochet. Or you could do 240 single crochet consecutively. Once you've finished crocheting all those single crochet, you're going to slip stitch to finish off, and you're going to need a fairly long tail for sewing. To make the T-Rex body, you're going to put 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 3 increases repeated twice. Round 4 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 6 through to 10 are just 30 single crochet. Round 11 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 12 begins with 15 single crochet, and you're going to finish the round by doing a repeat of 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 13 also begins with 15 single crochet, and then you're going to finish with 3 decreases. Round 14 is 4 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. At this point, secure your end. You're going to add the safety eyes between round 6 and 7 and placed on either side of the head. Once you've done that, you're also going to begin stuffing the T-Rex. When you're finished stuffing, we're going to continue with round 15, which is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 16 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 17 is 6 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 18 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. In round 19, we're going to introduce our colour change. So have whatever colour you plan to use for the stripes on the back of your T-Rex handy. We're going to begin round 19 with 9 single crochet in our original colour. After those first 9 single crochet, you're going to change colour to your stripe colour and crochet another 9 single crochet. After that, change colour back to your original colour, and we're going to finish the round with 12 single crochet. Round 20 is the same as round 19. Begin in your original colour for 9 single crochet, change colours for another 9 single crochet, change back to your original colour and do 12 single crochet. Round 21 in the original colour is 2 single crochet, 1 increase, followed by a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Rounds 22 and 23 are the same, and this is another colour change round. Begin with 10 single crochet, then change colours for 13 single crochet, change colours again for the remaining 13 single crochet. Round 24 should be crocheted in the original colour, and it is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 24 was our final round, so finish off and leave a tail for sewing. For the T-Rex arms, begin by putting 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 3 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Round 4 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. Rounds 5 and 6 are 10 single crochet. And round 7, the final round, is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated twice. The assembly for our teacup dinos is fairly basic. We're just going to take our handle and attach the open end to the top of the teacup just below the lip we've created. Pin that in place and then sew that on, but once it's done, don't cut the tail end of your yarn. Instead, what we're going to do is weave that tail end with our needle down the handle until we emerge from between rounds 5 and 6. And we want to push the needle out through the side that is closest to the teacup body. What you're then going to do is take the bottom of the teacup handle, specifically between rounds 5 and 6 where we've pushed the needle out through, and you're going to choose where you want that to sit on the side of the teacup body. If you have this higher up the body, the handle's going to curve a lot more sharply, but if you have it down lower, it's not going to curve as much. So you're going to choose where you'd like the handle to sit, and then once you have that in position, you're going to sew on the bottom of the handle from between rounds 5 and 6 to the teacup body. When you finish sewing on this bottom part of the handle, then you can weave in your tail end and cut off the excess yarn. With the handle sewn on, we're next going to sew on our dino body. So place the dino in the center of the cup facing whichever way you think looks best. Pin it in place, and then you're going to sew the dino body on for about 3/4. At this point you can add some more stuffing to it if you need to. Once that's done, finish sewing. If you're making the T-Rex, our final step is going to be to sew the arms onto the front of the body. The top of the arms sit between rounds 18 of the body, and you can place these wherever you like, so you can have them at the front of the body, on the sides pointing outwards. Totally up to you, but pin those in place, sew those on, and then you're all finished. I hope you all enjoyed this pattern. If you'd like to make the Mochasaurus, that pattern is going to be on my Instagram page, so go check that out if you'd like to make one of those. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider liking, subscribing, all that YouTube stuff, and I will see you all next week with another pattern.